Approve. That's what you're gonna see when you follow this hack. GM and Goldman Sachs partner up to bring you this unique credit card. They have every design from Cadillac to Chevy to GM to Buick to GMC. If you're ready to be approved, click the like button. You already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. Step number one, the first thing you're gonna do is go to the website. The link is gonna be in the description. Pay attention now, because I'm gonna guide you step by step on how you can get a credit card with no hard inquiry. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as you're on this website, you're gonna read over the rewards, right? The rewards that it has for this card is very, it's very different, it's very dope. They have many rewards, it's amazing. But the first thing I'm gonna do is click on the apply now button, right? After you click on the apply now button, you're gonna see different type of credit card designs that you can pick from. They got the Chevy, they got the Cadillac, they got the Buick, they got the GMC, they got the GM. Pick whatever design you like. If you got a certain type of car that you like, go ahead and click on it. The one I like is a Cadillac design. It's black, sleek, I like black cars. So just pick whatever one you wanna do, and then go ahead and click on, select the design and go to the next. Now, after you select the design, you're gonna see your personal information. You're gonna input your personal information, right? You're gonna put your first name, last name, the email address that your personal email address. And after you do that, you're gonna put your phone number. After you put your phone number, you're gonna put your date of birth. Then click on the next button, right? Click on the checkbox and then click on continue. Now, after you do that, what you want to do now is put your total income. Before you put your total income, check this out. Make sure you put the household income, the household, not just you, whoever's in the house with you. If it's a spouse, if it's your mom, it's your dad, whoever else is in the house that live with you, is total income, right? Total, right? So if your spouse is making 50,000, you're making 50,000, and somebody else is making, just put, don't overdo it now. Just put, reasonable number. I'm not telling you what to put on your application, but just put something reasonable. Don't overdo it now. Just make sure you put something reasonable. All right, so put the total household income. If it's 100,000 or if it's 120, whatever it is, put it in there, right? Now you're gonna put your primary address, the one that you have on your TransUnion credit report, because they pull TransUnion, right? They're not gonna pull TransUnion, but whatever you have on your credit report, you wanna put that on the credit report so they can verify your information. Now, after that, you go ahead and click on next, and you're gonna put your social. They're just verifying your identity. So that's why I said put your primary address, the one that you have on file. United States citizenship. Now you're gonna click on next, and you're gonna go over the terms of offer, right? So just look over the terms. It has very unique terms. So they got 0% interest at 9 months, which is pretty cool. So make sure you click on submit an application. Now, what's gonna pop up next is the actual offer. An actual offer is gonna pop up, but before you click on the offer to accept it, right? Do not click, so I'm gonna go to step number 2. Step number 2 is very vital so you don't get a hard inquiry. So pay attention. Step number 2, you're gonna freeze your TransUnion credit report, because if you don't want a hard inquiry, you have to do this step. So we're gonna freeze our TransUnion credit report before we accept the offer. This is key. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's go hop on the computer. If you already have a profile, go ahead and freeze it and go and accept the offer. But if you don't, I'm gonna show you what to do. The first thing I'm gonna do is Google freeze TransUnion, right? After you Google that, it's gonna pop up my TransUnion. You're gonna go ahead and click on add freeze. You're gonna add freeze. And if you have a profile, you're gonna input your profile information. If you don't, you go ahead and input your information. You're gonna go step by step. It's for free, so just make sure you save everything. So anytime I show you these hacks, you already have it set up. So make sure you save your profile and make sure you input your information, save your profile, login information into your notes section, because this is key to actually not getting a hard inquiry. Step number 3, now that you freeze your TransUnion credit report, now go ahead and accept the offer. You should get a hard pull, but wait, make sure you keep it frozen for the next 3 to 5 days. Wait till you see, you're gonna get an email saying that Goldman Sachs is trying to pull your TransUnion credit report, right, for this card. So make sure you do that. Make sure you don't unfreeze it until you get that notification. Once you get that notification, you can unfreeze it or you can keep it frozen until you're ready to apply for another credit card. Yo, if you need help with anything, right? If you need help with anything, or if you didn't get approved, it's probably something that happened on your credit report. You can watch this video right here, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this in 7 steps. How you can remove anything off your credit report step by step.